What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Tony, aka Natural Boss. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about some of the products that I used in 2020 that I will also be bringing into 2021. And I'm very picky, so you know if I'm bringing these products up, I must have really liked them and they really worked good. There are a couple of products that I'm going to mention that I personally am not going to bring into 2021, but I encourage you, if you bought these products, especially if you bought it as a result of watching me in my videos, because I was raving about them, I still think you should use them. I still think they're good products, but I personally won't be using them because I found out that I'm allergic to some of the ingredients or something, whatever. So anyway, so let's just get this started. So first I'll talk about the bad. It's not really bad, but this is Up North Naturals. And I just have right here the Go-To Hydrating Hair Milk. It's basically like leave-in conditioner. This is an excellent product. It's really good. If you watch my Up North Naturals video, I really raved on that whole product line. I encourage everybody to buy it. People were texting me, contacting me. I was saying, you gotta use this product line. I still hold to that. But me, myself, personally, I would not be using these products anymore. And the only reason is because if you saw the video, I was bragging. I was saying, oh, they just use essential oils to put fragrance in their products, which is good. You know, not all the chemicals and all that. Well, they use, like, they're real heavy on the orange peel oil or whatever it's called, something. And some other very fragrant essential oils. And those bother my allergies. It didn't really do it like the first couple times I used it, but I noticed, I don't know, I guess I'm just more sensitive to stuff now or whatever, but it really started bothering my allergies, so I can't use it anymore. And I was really sad about that because this is like literally one of the few product lines where I like every single product that I use. So if you're using this though, still keep using it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I can't use it. The next product that kind of falls into that same category, it's another product line or brand. It's actually a brand of products that I'm currently not using right now. I'm not throwing them away though, because I'm hoping that one day I'll just not be allergic to anything. But that is Aunt Jackie's, and in particular, what I have in my hand is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This is from the Butter Fusion line, and this is Not Your Average Curl Bamboo Avocado Protein Mask. This is one of the best protein masks, or just masks in general, that I ever used. And if you watch any of my other videos before, I brag on Aunt Jackie's products all the time. I love them. However, again, I found out later on that something that they put in their products or something just really bothers my allergy. And this one in particular, it smells good, but it's like really loud. Like the smell goes all throughout your house and everything, and it's hard to get the smell out. And so it really bothers my allergies. But this protein mask is so good. I encourage you still to use this. If you're looking for a protein mask, I've moved on to another way of doing protein treatments in my hair. And I do have a video for that that you may have already seen as well. But yeah, I love this. I hate to part with it. I'm actually not going to give this away or throw it away yet. I'm going to hold on to it for a little while longer. But if I could, I would take this into 2021. The next product, I also have done a video on this, and I bragged on, I didn't brag on the whole brand, but I bragged on this particular product, and that is the Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition Twisting Cream. This still, hands down, I think, if I'm remembering correctly, of all the twisting creams I ever used, is the absolute best one. I felt my twist out was the best with this, using this product. It somehow has a little bit of hold, but yet it's not like gel. It doesn't make your hair crunchy at all. It smells good. The smell's actually light and has more of a kind of like a cake batter smell, which doesn't tend to bother me a lot. So as far as Curls Dynasty, I don't think I will be buying any of their other products unless there's just something else that I haven't tried that I want to try. But this I would continue to use, and this I highly recommend to use this for a twisting cream. I don't know if it worked for washing or anything like that, but if you do twist outs, or if you just do your hair in 2-strand twists, or even if you're just putting your hair in a ponytail, I think this is a really good product, and I highly recommend it, and I am bringing this into 2021. The next product, I don't think I've done a video on this brand in years, and that is Camille Rose. And I don't know why, because I love Camille Rose products and I always keep them on hand. Plus, as far as me and my sensitive self, the Camille Rose products don't tend to bother my allergies. or anybody else in my house for that matter. And this is in particular, this is the almond. Is it J or Jai? I never knew how to pronounce that. Twisting butter, sweet almond milk, and honey. This, of course, you guys know I always rock twist outs. This is so good for twist outs. It's so good for 2-strand twists. It's a very extremely good product. Like if you want to moisturize your hair or redo your twist or something like that throughout the week, it's good for that. It seems like it has hold again, but it's not sticky, it's not hard, it's not flaky or anything like that. It's just like some kind of really good butter. It smells really good, and I highly recommend this product. I actually recommend a lot of Camille Rose products. I haven't done a whole lot of videos, and like I said, I don't know why, but Camille Rose products are really good products. And if you are sensitive to fragrances, hers, well, the ones that smell like butter and honey and all that kind of stuff, they don't smell really loud. I don't know about the other stuff. So I would highly recommend giving this a try, especially if you do twist outs like me. Speaking of Camille Rose, there's another one that I use faithfully as well, and I've mentioned this one in other videos. It's the Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk, and Macadamia Oil, or Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk, and Macadamia Oil. That's some of the key ingredients. And it's basically like a leave-in, but you can also use this to re-moisturize your hair throughout the week. It's just really good. It has a really light smell that smells like cake batter or something like that, which I like. For the most part, Camille Rose uses good ingredients as far as I know of every product that I've ever used or read the back of. Like it says here, it may also be used to refresh styles on dry hair in need of a dose of moisture. This is something that when I'm going to do a wash and go, this is a really good leave-in to use prior to using gel or curl activator. It works really good in conjunction with those products, and it doesn't cause like a lot of buildup or anything. So this is a really good product, and I'll continue to use this. Speaking of curl activator, which I just mentioned, I'm still using the Proclaim, which I've been using for like 10 years. Proclaim Activator Gel. I get mine. People are still asking me where I get this. I get mine from Sally's all the time. They do tend to sell out, and I'm not like bragging on myself or whatever, but since I made that curl activator video, I honestly don't think anybody but me and my sister used to buy this because it was always on the shelf. They were always fully stocked. But now that it's gotten more popular, people have contacted me and said they cannot find it anywhere, and Sally's tends to sell out a lot. But I would say just keep trying back Sally's. Like if it's sold out, just try back in a couple of weeks. SallyBeauty.com, buy it online. That's where I get mine. I continue to use this. It's just a good product, good moisturizing product. And if you're the type, a lot of times when I use this, I just put my hair in a ponytail. But if you like to wear your hair in a wash and go, you like your curls really defined, this is an excellent product for that. I used this early in when I first went natural. And I felt that it really helped me to grow my hair out and retain length. So still holding on to this. Oh, and the smell is really light, and it doesn't bother my allergies or anything. The next product, I can't believe I'm putting this product in a video where I'm saying I'm bringing something into 2021, because I have such mixed reviews about this product. I've said in one video that I kind of liked it. Then I said I don't like it, I'm not using it anymore. And now I decided I wanted to keep it. And that is none other than the Twist Elongating Style Cream. It was really hard for me to let this go because I've been following Natural 85 for a very long time, and I just know that she doesn't produce junk, and so I felt that this has to somehow be a good product. I don't know why. Plus, not to mention, I paid so much for it, I wasn't about to throw it away. But so basically what my thoughts are on this, for me and for my hair, I know a lot of people can just use it alone. For my hair, I cannot just rub this cream on my hair and do a twist out with it or anything like that. It doesn't like penetrate my hair or something. I don't know, for whatever reason, it just doesn't work. My hair would be like dry the next day. It just doesn't do it for me. However, when I'm using this, like if I'm doing the LCO or LOC method or whatever, and I can use this in conjunction with some water and then some oil, it works really good. And not to mention, this does not have any fragrance, and that's something that I really like about it. And I wish her other products she wouldn't put all those loud fragrances in it, because I probably would try the shampoo. I threw away the oil. I would have kept that had it not had that scent. And that leave-in conditioner is really good, but it smells too loud. It smells like spearmint gum all throughout your house. I just don't like that. But anyway, not to get off onto the deep end, This, I tried this again. Like I said, I mixed it when I use it with oil and water. It works really good on my hair. So I'm going to continue to use this. And even when I run out, I'm actually going to purchase some more. It's just for those of you who use this, you already know the ingredients are just really good. So if you want a really good butter to use in your hair, I do recommend this now. I didn't at first, but I do recommend it now. But you just have to find the way that you need to. I don't like, when I use products and I've paid my hard-earned money for products, even if I got them free, I don't like to have to do a whole bunch of jimmy rigging to make the product work for me. However, since I do the LCO or the LOC method anyway, why not use this, which is fragrance free? It has good, I know it has good ingredients, and since it works with that process, I feel that I could continue to use this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stick with Melanin. I'm probably gonna buy at least another jar of this just to keep trying it again. It is fragrance free, so that helps. Another product that I'm bringing in 2021, I used this in the video, but I didn't make a video specifically about this product, and that's Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse. I used this actually when I did the curl formers, and my hair felt like silk. It was like really weird that my hair was that soft. I didn't think it was going to turn out like that. So this has hold. I would say it's a kind of light to medium hold, or maybe just light hold. It's really good for like twist outs, like perm rod sets. Of course, use this with curl formers. Some people use this to define their curls. It wouldn't work for me in that kind of way, but it might work for you. It's just a good product. It doesn't have a loud smell. This has been around for like years or whatever. So I would say it's a pretty reliable mousse. So I'm going to keep this one whenever I choose to do a style like that, in particular like a perm rod, or use the curl formers. The next product, this is going to be a very key product in my hair care regimen for 2021, and that is none other than the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. I've used this off and on for years, and I really think this product is the reason why I can dye my hair so much and I'm still not bald headed. I don't necessarily recommend you go bleaching your hair and using all these dyes and getting your hair colored over and over again, and then just try to use this to combat all the damage. But if you do mess up and you do something like that, or if you just bleach your hair once, or you just dye your hair once or whatever, I highly recommend this for color treated hair. I actually recommend this if you don't have color treated hair. This is just a good product. It repairs the bonds of your hair. And don't get it twisted. This is not protein. A lot of people think this is the same as doing a protein treatment, and it's not. It does something totally different. Protein is protein. This is just not protein. Somebody tried to check me on one of my videos and just say you can use this instead of doing a protein treatment. You can use this and you don't have to use protein, but this does not replace protein. I actually use both and I alternate them. You don't have to go that extreme, but I do some pretty extreme things in my hair sometimes, so that is important to me. This actually is the 8.5 fluid ounce. Most times you can only get the little one. I think it's just 3 ounce like that, and that does not last very long, especially if you have shoulder length or longer hair or thick hair. So this, the only place I think that they have this limited edition sometimes on Sephora, but lately I've only been able to find this at Nordstrom on Nordstrom.com. So I just get this because there's no point in keep buying the little one when I need the bigger one. And this doesn't last that long either. I know it's gonna sound crazy. Some people, this is probably like $56. I know it sounds crazy. Kind of a lot goes a long way. It just depends on how you use it. But I just highly recommend this. I am gonna I don't know if you guys have watched my other previous videos, but I did color my hair again. You can, I don't know if you see it. You probably see it a little bit. It's supposed to be auburn. I don't really like it, and it didn't get as light as I wanted it to either. So I already know, I'm going to tell you up front, I'm going to be coloring my hair again. No shame to my game. That's what I'm going to do. And so this is going to be very important and a key product for my hair in 2021. Last but not least, I did actually a product review on this maybe a month or two ago, and that is the Coils by Nature fragrance-free line. Of course, I'm so happy. I didn't know they even had a fragrance-free that one of my subscribers told me. All the products were good. I said originally in the video when I did the product review, I said the shampoo was pretty good. I decided that I'm just showing the deep conditioner right now, but I have all the products in the fragrance-free line. The shampoo is mediocre, but I'm not gonna ever buy it again because I feel it doesn't get my hair clean enough, and especially if I were doing something like coloring my hair or something, that foam shampoo stuff would not do the trick. It's okay, especially if I wash my hair more than one time per week. it'd be okay kind of for a light wash. But if I really want my hair clean, that foam shampoo stuff is not going to do the trick. So I will use it till it's gone, but I will not be purchasing that again. But as for the other products, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the hair butter, I've been using them. This is twist out as a result of those products. I still think they're excellent products. And of course, if you're sensitive to fragrances or have allergies, eczema, whatever, I highly recommend using the fragrance free. It's minus all the essential oils. I don't need that in my hair. You might want to test it out. You might not need that in your hair either, and just all the smells and everything though. And I've also noticed my skin has cleared up from the eczema very significantly since I've been using the fragrance free products. I'm hoping I can, I'm a product junkie. Just using this one product is not going to cut it for me. I'm hoping to be able to find more fragrance free products. I'm hoping that more brands recognize that people are allergic and are sensitive to all the fragrances and jump on that bandwagon and make some fragrance free products. I mean, it's that simple, people. But anyway, yes, those are the products that I really liked that I used in 2020 and I will be bringing into 2021. I do have some hair goals and stuff. I think I'm gonna talk about that on another video. I have another video coming up. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to show me dyeing my hair again. I hate doing that because I like to move fast when I'm dyeing my hair. But I may film it and post that video. Also, I have another Coils by Nature product that I have not used yet that I will be doing a video on. And then no telling what else. I don't even know in 2021 if I'm going to be sticking to all hair videos. I'm not sure. I probably won't, to be honest. Anyway, so let me know what products you used in 2020 that you will be bringing into 2021 and what your hair regimen is. For Black Friday this year, I did not go all crazy. I ordered a few things. The Coils by Nature was one of them. They had a bundle sale and I think I ordered a couple of Camille Rose products or whatever, but I didn't go all crazy. So I really, at this point in time right now, I really don't have too much to review. But let me know what products you'll be using in 2021, what products sucked in 2020, and what if any your hair goals are for 2021. Also, if you know of any fragrance-free products, fragrance-free hair products, it does not have to be Black owned necessarily. That's preferred, but it's not necessary. Drop those in the comments as well and let me know what those are. It can be, I prefer fragrance-free, but it can be fragrance-free or very lightly scented. Let me know what those are because I might want to check those out. But anyway, if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.